Yeah, hello, my name is Kathrin Lang and I'm a professor for chemical biology here at ETH Zurich. We recently moved with our lab from the Technical University Munich to Zurich, and our lab's research is based in the interdisciplinary area between chemistry and biology, and we are especially excited about developing tools, so to say, with the rational mind of an organic chemist to both study and manipulate biological processes. And very much in the spirit of Richard Feynman, who coined the saying, "What I cannot create, I cannot understand." For us, one of the big goals in chemical and synthetic biology consists in construct artificial pathways and devices. And our lab is a very heterogeneous, multidisciplinary lab. So we have organic chemists, molecular biologists working alongside biochemists. And the techniques in our lab typically span from organic synthesis to protein engineering all the way to cell biology. And we are especially active in expanding the genetic code to incorporate artificial amino acids into proteins and to develop chemistries that do not only work in the test tube, but also in a living cell. And if you're interested in our research, please read the article on the D-CHAB homepage, or come by our lab, or attend my inaugural lecture on June 1st, and I hope to see you there.